Hello, my people. How na dey now? Good evening. I greet everybody in the house, people. Let's go there. Yes, so I know some of us are sleeping already. While some are still awake. Please, if you are awake, join, and enjoy this. Just a short one, people. Yes, so I want to talk small for this matter where they go on. Say why Savage and what is it they call her? Jamila, no. May I start from here first? Jamila, not the disgrace married women, get a beg. For I know say na don tire for marriage, more na comot. Marriage is made to enjoy, it's not to endure. Now, every day they sing for now, they tell una, don't they hear why any. Hey, you why me and my no see? Can you be married to somebody, to a man? At the end of the day, you see what they do another one. But this bogri of it, you don't make everyone bogri. They can't have work with your cause, eh? I'll be here. Sorry. Sorry, guys. You can't have work when you want call some people you already cause what they call you? Bogri, Bogari. Only you. No understand you. Now what for you? You know, make every sharp for all this the way they do. A married woman, you see what they do. Only you go do two, they can do this one, do that one, you see go for married woman. Which kind of human being you be now? How you take day? I greet you. Well, for the married woman with the inside, if you know that you are tired of marriage, you come out, not be by force. Nobody is forcing anybody. Nobody is buying anyone. Come out if you're tired. Don't force yourself into a relationship. More than the force yourself into marriage again. Marriage is for is not suffering and smiling. Marriage is for enjoyment, as in to enjoy yourself, to support each other, to enjoy yourself. It's not to just be there at the end of the day. You will not be happy. You just be managing it. They use another person cassava till they satisfy yourself. It's not good. It's not nice. Stop disgracing married women. I don't say some married women, many are like that. Why some are not like that? But a message to the married woman, if you know that you are tired, your marriage is not working out again, it's not good again, or you are not enjoying it again, leave the marriage. Divorce is in the Bible. Though they might say it's a sin or so, but is it not better you divorce than you will not be making more sin inside marriage? I drink water. Get it down. You understand me, my people? Don't force yourself inside marriage. If you are tired, leave, quit, bounce. Now you're there. I'm a married man, so that my family, I'm a married woman. My family will love me. They will know that I'm a responsible woman, a responsible girl, and the whole world will love me. All my friends will love and be tripping for me. They want to get married like me. You know, I don't know the kind of name. One of the things saying they call married woman when they want to put on herself by force, as in the kind prestige or the kind money or the kind estate or the kind king or what they call them when they give married woman when they find. Yes, of course, marriage is sweet, it's honorable to the Lord. But if it's not working out, can't you quit? Will you wait for somebody to tell you that you should quit? You quit, you divorce is better than say you go to carry on that cassava again for inside your marriage. That one is very bad. It's not nice. It's very bad. It's the baddest. Tell the family of the man, tell your family, I don't want to take it. Tell the man, be bold enough. Don't say because I want to save this marriage, I don't sacrifice for this. Some people say, if you see what they don't sacrifice for marriage, if you see what they don't do for this marriage, they don't feel you lose like that. Wait, see, is it not better you lose it than you lose your life, you lose your self-esteem? Don't say they don't want you to lose, they don't want me this marriage. On that woman, can't carry their marriage, carry their man for what? On that woman, carry your mind, better pass you to disgrace yourself like this. Everybody will know you as a married woman, but you sleep with another person. It's not nice. It's very bad. Please, if you don't want to be married again, you are tired of your marriage, your man is not treating you well, is domestic violence, or he's not sleeping with you the way you want, or anything at all, maybe he's not taking care of you the way you want, or whatever, just quit. Leave the marriage. Leave it. Quit. Nobody will laugh, even if they laugh. They laugh person, better person, they cry person, na vie, or na gear, or massa na vie. You understand? Na gear, or massa na vie. Like me, I have some issues on some time ago. People when they talk, they poke nose, they even laugh. But somebody can't get issue, someone else, the person, they don't even see and laugh. They can't cry that person. Who shall go pass? Or maybe they are alive. Not be better pass the one way be say come by when not they are alive. You understand? With that one, with what happened to that person, I can't encourage myself. Before when the thing happened to my enemy, I can't able to think, they cry, they say, oh God, which kind of life be this one? I even go by myself safe. People they talk, they prognose, they like laugh, say, see, oh, I go for and say, what's happened? And what's happened, it was not my fault. But at the end of the day, something happened to someone else again, but that one loser. The person lost he lost his life, a life for inside the issue. People not going to see Martin laugh and everybody can they cry. You understand? What am I trying to say? It's just a short lesson, or you know. If you know say you tired for that marriage, come out, not be by force. Come out. Tell the man, but I not fit again. I will say you're there because say you want your marriage, maybe your marriage strong, maybe you dey inside your marriage. Maybe people they respect you, or maybe people know say be married girl, married woman. You did to fagger on that person. It's very bad. It's a disgrace to womanhood. It's not good. Yes, if you finish, say maybe you don't want the marriage again. If you come out, of course, if you friend another person you want friend, if you like, it's your choice. If you friend or you want friend or you want marry. But inside the marriage, where you see this and marriage, don't do it. See, now some people say the man go wake up for hospital because of heartbreak. That man now, I will take on forgive that woman for your life. Not be only that woman, go use that eye, they look all the women. Because if you marry another woman, if you still friend another woman, now the same shit and all of them be. Although I only it's not good. Please, we try to respect ourselves sometimes. I know everybody want to do the vaga because normally your body must respond to it once in a while. But then it does not give you the, the authority or audacity for you to do it under your matrimonial home. I mean, when you are with your husband, or go and meet the guy in his home, it's the same thing. As long as you are still married, but when you are divorced, you are separated from him. People have known that you guys are not together again. Yes, you can, of course. Who say you cannot do? So please, more all of us receive sense, more get sense, especially those people involved that are doing it. And though we know Jima Vegbe, the only person not seeing all of them go to join the laugh. Jamila, hey, what you do not good, and I go for her. But some women who not be here, they are worst. So that one pass. T.Y. Savage, I see the video in short. I'll be smart, now wow. Yes, T.Y. Savage is a human being, a normal person like me and you. Of course, you know, marry, she go to do vaga. But because she be celebrity, people know her, everybody know her. Normally, no. that tape not supposed to come out, that video not supposed to come out, no matter what. Not before any reason, self. Say she be even be celebrity, she be this, but because of the fact of the child, she has a child. So that thing is not supposed to come out. They're supposed to respect that thing and keep it. But some of our men, most of them not still make careful, because me, I don't believe that she do by herself. I know your belief. If now she really say she want do it, both of them go show. Or she not go even do it like that. Now the man I just video her because the man not even video his face. You understand? Like they set her up all those kind of things. Show only her face, she don't know. Or rather, my boyfriend, that's your boyfriend, I can do it. Can you not show his face? Not say I get sense. Once you know say na shit, na the man I do it. So mind the men, mind the women, mind the men you go out with, mind the man you follow. Even if your husband, no they agree make the video, if they make love, no they agree. Even if your husband are married, say don't get 20 children for her. Say come on, you do video, me I naked, me naked, na more video. I said no agree. Then I say no way, you don't need them. You understand? Then I say lie, you don't need them. You understand, my people? Then I say you don't need that. If you say no love you again, if you don't that one, so that's why tell us okay, I better me come out, me go nowhere here with door. No more wala do. Don't do it with even your husband, self talk or say maybe your boyfriend. Always the conversations video come out with ma or woman they do nakedness of a woman, nakedness of ma, whether they do or whatever. It's not nice now. We should not think of anything. Think of the children involved. Think of the children that they will grow tomorrow. They will not see their mother. Says video. Because this thing will stay forever. People will go and hide it and keep it. It will be in YouTube. It will be in everywhere. People will save it. If the pikin come grown, I can see all this kind of thing, will he be happy? Will she be happy? Because I see mama make us for grant. See this one, see that one. All those kind of things. You understand? It's very, very bad. We should try to just, use sense to do things. I know sometimes some women will not know. They will not know to be a mistake like they did not know. But sometimes, most cases, they know. They will just do it purposely because they are carried away. To just be carried away. Say the man they told them some kind of way they bust their brain. They just did they romance each other for a video call or they see face to face. They do all those kind of things. They will just they carried away. Please be very wise and be vigilant. Don't be carried away when doing it. Don't be carried away when doing it with your man or when you are on video with your man. I make like me now. Some people sometimes if a person coming with video call, I need to they pick. Me not to they pick video call like except I don't know that person where my relation or my personal person. Even most times I would complain, I would say sorry guys. Sometimes if I go to complain, get small cough and be more nervous. I go to complain, I go to doctor yesterday, so we don't even finish safe. This changing of weather. I will complain safe. I say I beg. Man, they call me for video call, you know they like her. What do you mean when they do safe for the video call? Person call me for video call, me not they like to show. I'll just put the camera for ground, like the way I put camera for ground just now. When I go take water for kitchen. I just put camera for ground, you go to show silly. Silly, no, go to show wall, or you go to show cutting. Finish. Go to show the silly. Exactly. I just put it like that. People they say, may you go show a face where they show. They show. Maybe I they cook or I they do one or two. They show. I say, well, I go show. And you want to tell me to show? I beg. I don't want. That's why I take it down. Even if na woman say, you are good. Most times. I say, na me, you get what I want to show her for video call, or she want to show me. I'll say, okay, more quick. May I just quick show her. But most times I will say, no, through WhatsApp. No, you show me for video call. Send that through WhatsApp for me. I go see her. Or me go send that through WhatsApp. WhatsApp is neat enough. I go see her. WhatsApp clear. I hate video call with passion. I don't know why I too like her. I know they too like her. Like. Except say just get reason. I'll just see pick but inside there, as I talk to the person, I say, I don't like video call. I know you like. I go say, waiting. Now what for you? You do like Jew, you not be Jew before. You not be this thing before. You see gallant as in you see girl, you see the See, guess what? You know, see no about the video call. I say, even if I know him, I don't like her. That by force to like her. I don't understand. You understand? So we men, or they show themselves for video call. They do many things. They finger themselves. They do one or two things. So you really didn't know. They show the man all these things. They don't say the man will get on that camera. Or you go take the video for granted. Or rather, you go store and get what they press for phone. That video call go fit they do recording too. The video call person, you go see the record. The record go save for me. After I'm tough, you go save for memory. Go the memory gallery. You guys, especially women, men not more send. Women with the inside, we send. Stop it. Especially because of our children. Stop it. Stop it. Stop. No, they let person, they call you, as they call you, they do video call with them, you show your body, your bonbon, your name, your bekos, your name, because you in the mood, or rather, it's in the, I know say sometimes the thing, and the way they do person, or the way they do you, it go be like say, nah, this thing person even, nah, this thing, nah, Igbo person even smoke safe, the way they do, you go be like say person drink, person high. The way they take the, as in, for example, your man, they talk to you for phone, the way you take the do, or the way they think you take the in the mood, you don't know when you take naked yourself, all those things. But no, stop, beware. Stop it and be very wise. Be vigilant, okay? Be wise and be vigilant. Don't just, like, for your hand like that, or like, you lose, just they lose like that. Be wise and be vigilant dealing with men on video call, on even in private, when you both are in the bed. Be wise. No matter how the thing go sweet you reach, no matter how the person go naked, reach or no ban one or go no veer. Open one eye, they sensitive, they wise and be vigilant. They look if maybe phone day on or 1 or 2 day on. In short, no light, don't on light if you are even doing. So people they say, they on light they do now this, now that. Maybe body not fine, maybe now winch, maybe now I pray. I pray. We get what we feel, I pray. Leave on me body not fine. Leave on me be winch now go past darkness. Yes. All I go on that light where it be like this thing. You go that low light will be like mercury. Mercury, they show different color. If you use remote, they show. Tell the remote, tell they do and make it the door. Even if you see the door, no guarantee not diff. Everywhere black like charcoal, that guarantee day. So if you on phone or anything, you go see her. You go see her. It don't too much now, not good. Don't be carried away, even if you are drunk or you don't go smoke something. Don't be carried away. Be wise and be vigilant dealing with men when you are, doing it. Especially in their place. In your place, it's not so easy because now your ass. 2 days before you go place camera, you go know, you go sight and you go detect and fast, sharply. As you understand. If you not see detect, I don't know, but if now your ass, it go dey very, very difficult. But if now your ass, now it dey easy. Because it already placed her for ground before you come. We don't tell you don't tell her say 5 o'clock I'll come. It already fix the camera for one corner, you don't know. But if now your ass, it not dey easy like that. Not the 100% easy. Your face quick cash out. Before you go the hide camera. But if now your ass, it go see dey easy small. But either your house or your house or wherever, be wise and be vigilant. Don't be carried away. Do it when the light is off, everywhere dark. In short, not even do afternoon again. Because all these things, you want too much. Very soon now, you'll see, say, husband, will they bring their wife nakedness come out? Or wife, will they bring their husband nakedness come out? Because the thing want too much now, waiting. See, why Savage, she's not married, she can do, but she's a celebrity for God's sake. Secondly, she has a child for God's sake. Now leave that one alone. Even if you don't want to just maintain the fact, say you be celebrity, maintain the fact, say you get child. That pikin will grow tomorrow. You can go see that thing, people will keep her. Trust Nigeria people. Nigeria not they carry last. Don't be worried, not they carry last. They will keep her to that kingdom come, they not care. Just to spoil your whole image. I just pray, may God take control. I know now, right now, maybe maybe the thing go see touch and where. Depends. Some people they not send. So celebrity, all this thing go happen to them. You believe say I beg you. I wanted the famous again. Let people talk. Why some the thing you believe the thing go see touch. They say this thing will happen. So a guy be. So nevertheless, I just pray God should take control. But we should all use this one to learn. Brothers and sisters, we should learn from this, especially the women, our women. Women, oh yeah, learn from this. So wow, they lose for one boyfriend. They say, now your day make your the carry. I know say sometimes not easy because your boyfriend and your husband, you trust her. It's not that easy, I know. But from now, we should be wise and be vigilant because I might not hear very soon, but do we make any sort of ladia because he angry, or when we make any sort of ladia because of he angry, it's possible. So we should all be wise and be vigilant. Thank you, guys. I just want to, it's just a very short one. So please, we should be wise. We should be wise because all these things not going to make sense again. It can't get a bit. When I go right hand down very soon, you'll see say wife because husband and wife they quarrel. Wife go just say what did they do me not good? As they talk say that's what you go do. See naked picture. See this one. See that one. And so the same thing. The man go see do. The man go say bring the naked picture of or the naked this thing nude of your wife when they do. Very soon, if this thing come, if we not take time, say maybe now better evil, they're gonna do it like that. That devil, that something go come into men, especially men go into their mind. They go say, especially woman, thought say no want to get high. Now there they vex. For other things, they will calm down. And they feel calm down. Now they settle for his house. If you just say he don't finish, they will your vest. They just make sure say don't they vest with that one. They would like to put your image down. They would like to read this you read disgrace. You say to where you could do wala. You say you know do again, you know friend again, or you know marry again. No problem, not married, no friend. But you'll see what I will do you. Could you bring your naked picture, everything at? Why? Or you bring that boy? Most of the men, they will do it. Of course, now the truth, most men, they will do it. Not that they say you don't want to get away from this relationship or rather marriage, not your third day. Especially they love you. Now they love you pass. Some husband and wife, now the man, they love the woman pass. While sometimes now the woman, they love the man pass. If you go jam the one be saying, now the man, I love the woman pass. When they say, I don't want to get, maybe for example, they beat me to the charge, they do this, like, woman, in this relationship or coming you, I don't want to get, don't tire me. Some of them will go and bring your naked picture out just to downgrade you, to this go on your image, to put you down, say, no, Shebi, say you don't want to do again. Just say you get sense. You don't want friend or you don't want marry again. I go full since you don't go do again. Me go rest better, I go disgrace you. Very soon now the thing will see end, as in the story you'll see die low. But then we should be wise. That is my points. That is why I'm here to just encourage and advise us. A lot of people don't see talk for social media, but I just want to say my own view of the matter. We should be very wise and be careful so that even our husband or our boyfriend, they bring our nakedness come out for real. It's just the truth, the way the thing they go now. Yes, now. How can you imagine why a celebrity like that? That I don't even see the man face. You're there with your guy. They enjoy himself. I don't know what happen. That when you just bust and come out. You don't even remember that sweet moment. Me say no. Two of them I enjoy that. May not do that. May not go far like that. You don't care. That make I say mama they get my now woman they had. They 2 days say. See they think and say no, this thing are disgrace, so a guy a bill. But man, they're not too the same for that. They will bring her come out. It's not nice, it's very, very bad. So we should be wise and be vigilant. So thank you guys for watching. God bless you all. I need to relax now. Tomorrow to going to school. Bye-bye guys. And help me to share and like this video. Thanks for following this page. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please try to do so. And God bless you. Let's support each other, advise each other. I mean, no one is perfect. I'm not saying I'm perfect. You can still advise me. You can encourage me. I too can do the same. I don't know it all. No one is perfect. So let's encourage each other, guys. You understand? You pick from my points. I'll pick from your points. Also, that is life, What you don't know, I feel know. What I don't know, you feel still know. That's the way it be. The social media fitting be. So let's keep on supporting each other, encouraging each other, and one love to us all. God bless you all. Bye-bye. And please don't forget to like and share and comment below as well. Comment your opinion. You that is watching me, please comment. So your opinion is needed also. You know, with your opinion, I will get some points, catch some points, okay? Because no one is perfect. We are all learning. So thanks, good night, and bye-bye.